Hi, I'm Chuck, and today I'm going to introduce you to the newest innovative product from Just Clips, the ClipKey. Built from hardened steel and made to last, the ClipKey was designed and manufactured to work with all brands and models of impact wrenches. The ClipKey can not only do the more popular sizes of 3/8 and 1/2 inch, it can also accommodate the 1/4 inch impact wrench. Proudly made in the United States, the ClipKey is angled for ease of use and comfort and makes installing snap rings safe and easy. Let me show you how it works. Want to get your safety goggles? Take your ClipKey and put it on your level surface. Take a snap ring, make sure the opening is pointed up. You place it inside the grooves in the ClipKey. Take the impact wrench and a little bit of downward pressure at the tip. Watch the opening spread open and then roll it over. You're back out on the floor working. Just Clips, the tools that keep you working.
Contact your mobile tool dealer to purchase.